Okay, so look, seems here this road is going far away from where I want to be. For that I will cross like this. I think it's better because otherwise I will miss my road. So here where I was walking, and there where I need to go, because I need to find the other correct road where I need to walk. So let's take it from here. Oh shit. Okay, it's very funny. Like deer poop. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Actually, it's a good place to camp here, but I don't have attention to camp here at the moment. But it's a really good place. Okay. So let's continue. Shit. As you can see, it's getting darker and darker. Okay. Oh yes, this is very good because I think it was a good decision, because now you can see the road where I need to, the correct road. It's obvious. Yeah, this is the correct road. Look, guys. Yeah, finally. So now I can go. Okay.